They're eating the lice on the barley plant.
Lov til at låne faster onklens sommerhus op i...
Ja, ikke? Så ja. Det er noget, der batter noget.
Ja.
Den 24. juni, 45 mm.
Ja.
No water. Rain now. It's very welcome. I need water. No matter what I put on my field, I always would need water. And then I would think we have to look into a barley like this, and we have to find out some way, some plants of barley where the roots is bigger, those here is bigger, so they can get down on the earth to pick up the water from longer down. It's very dry here in Denmark right now, and I can see it in my barley field here, and we have one plant of barley here, and if it's a normal year with normal water, it will be like this high instead of this as we see here now. And those here you can see the barley corn, those here would be 25% longer. If there's enough water. In the evening, while I'm sitting on my terrace, it's very nice when I'm having my dinner outside and it's everything. But when I go here during the daytime and looking at my field and my barley, I'm a little bit worried.
And
in Denmark, so the temperature is getting a little bit up, so it's warmer like this. And if we look into that, I have to look what I will be putting on my fields in the future, and maybe some of the things you have on your fields in France, for example, maybe I can grow them here. Sunflowers or soya, maybe soya beans. Maybe I can have this in Denmark. I'm very concerned about the weather because it's very, very dry now, and I check my phone for the weather forecast many times per day in hope of maybe a little rain in the next week maybe. So and I checked this a few minutes ago, and maybe we will have a little rain in next week. So I really hope that's very, very much.